Hey guys, my name is Ashik. I'm the Sensing and UI lead for LEAP. I'm a third-year electrical engineering student with plans of minor in computer science. It's important to LEAP because the sensing part of Sensing UI comes in when the other teams need some sort of sensor input from the suit or from the environment, and then we take that data and give it to the other teams so that they can determine what's the appropriate input for different situations. And then the UI part comes in where the end user, the person who's wearing the suit, will need some sort of a method to control their exoskeleton. So that could take the form of different buttons or a touchscreen that the user can control and send the appropriate inputs. Let's go over there and let me show you a couple of the things that we're working on right now. So altogether, Sensing and UI team takes data from different sources and sends it to the other teams for their use and also for diagnostic uses in the future. So we mainly work with Arduinos and our ESP32s. They are both microcontrollers. They do about very similar things, but some of that ESP32 is a little more powerful and has some more capabilities. So right now, if I upload the code to the Arduino, here the idea is that we're going to have a few buttons or joysticks in the future that we can use, and if you press the button once, you would take a step forward, and the red LED indicates that you are taking a step forward, and then same thing with the other button where you press it once and you take a step backwards, and the other LED says that you're going backwards, and if you were to hold on to the LED, you would keep walking forward or backward. All right, so that's one of the projects. And then our second project that we're working on right now is actually using a couple force sensors at the bottom of the exoskeleton to make sure that the exoskeleton and the person wearing it are stable and are not tipping over. So the way this works is that there's two force sensors here, and then one at the bottom, at the ball of the feet, at the heel of the feet. And this is what the sensors look like. These little devices, they can measure up to 1,000 pounds. And then our third big project that we're working on is using an IMU, an inertial measurement unit, which is this little thing right here. And as you can see, it knows its position in 3D space, what velocity it's going at, or what's the acceleration it's experiencing. The idea is that we're going to put 3 of them on the lower leg. So one of them is going to be near the ankle, one of them near the knee, and then another near the hip. And then by communicating between the 3 of them, we can know where each part of the exoskeleton is in relation to each other. That way we can verify that whatever signal we put in was successful, and if it was not successful, we can adjust our inputs to get the desired outcome. In the Sensing and UI team, we often work closely together, but still at our own pace. And one of my favorite things is that you can put in a lot of time, or you can just put in just a couple hours every week. It's all up to you. You can work as much as you like or as little as you like. I really enjoy when we think out loud to each other and bounce ideas off of each other. Being a part of LEAP for the past 2 years, I've learned to grow not just as a member but also as an individual. Presenting different ideas to different members and the other leaders and also to the faculty has really helped me hone my presentation skills and also my leadership skills. And one of my favorite things about LEAP is that you can join as a freshman, not knowing anything, not having much of any technical skills, and you just be a valuable member. You can all learn together. There's been many instances where we don't know how to do something and we all just learn together, or we teach each other different things that we know.
And you are!
Now that you understand what sensing and UI is all about, come on by on Thursdays at 6 p.m. Moving forward this quarter, we're going to be working really closely with the mechatronics team, and we're going to be validating and testing our new prototype. It's going to be really fun, really educational, and really enjoyable. So come on by and join us. Thanks for watching.